Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey to explore Mexico, a country filled with unique destinations, from ancient cities and stunning beaches to remarkable cultural heritage sites. Here are 10 fantastic travel spots in Mexico, each offering rich and unique experiences. Top 1. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is one of the 7 modern wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located on the Yucatán Peninsula, it is one of the most prominent ancient cities of the Maya civilization. The highlight is the El Castillo Pyramid, where sun worship and astronomical ceremonies were held. Every year during the spring equinox, sunlight creates a special effect on the pyramid, making it appear as though a serpent is slithering down the steps. Top 2. Cancun. Cancun is a famous destination known for its white sandy beaches and crystal-clear turquoise waters. In addition to luxurious resorts, visitors can enjoy water sports like scuba diving, swimming with dolphins, or exploring nearby Maya sites such as Tulum and Chichen Itza. Cancun also features stunning underwater caves for travelers to explore. Top 3. Mexico City. Mexico City, the capital, is a perfect blend of modernity and history. With renowned museums like the Museo de Antropología, the historic Zócalo Square, and Aztec sites such as Templo Mayor, the city is a culturally rich destination. Mexico City is also a food lover's paradise, known for its unique street food. Top 4. Cabo San Lucas. Cabo San Lucas is famous for its stunning natural scenery and exciting water sports, including surfing and sport fishing. With numerous luxurious resorts, it's also home to the iconic El Arco, a natural stone arch offshore, which creates breathtaking views, especially in summer. Top 5. Tulum ***. Tulum is a beautiful coastal town highlighted by the ruins of an ancient Maya city perched on cliffs overlooking the Caribbean Sea. In addition to its beautiful beaches, Tulum attracts visitors with eco-friendly resorts and a peaceful atmosphere. Top 6. Puebla ***. Puebla is a historic city known for its beautiful colonial architecture, including churches, squares, and buildings adorned with unique ceramic tiles. The city is also famous for its cuisine, especially mole poblano, a flavorful sauce with a unique blend of sweet and spicy tastes. Top 7. Oaxaca ***. Oaxaca stands out with its diverse culture, ancient heritage, and breathtaking natural landscapes. Sites like Monte Alban, a significant Zapotec archaeological site, are must-sees. Oaxaca is also renowned for its distinctive dishes like tlayudas and agave-based specialties, along with traditional textile arts. Top 8. Guadalajara ***. Guadalajara is a lively city known for its rich cultural heritage, especially mariachi music and salsa dancing. Visitors can explore historical landmarks like Guadalajara Cathedral, Tlaquepaque Square, and experience the vibrant atmosphere of local festivals. Top 9. Cozumel ***. Cozumel is a beautiful island celebrated for its stunning coral reefs, making it one of the world's top diving spots. The island also features beach resorts and activities like boating, exploring limestone caves, and basking in the sun. Top 10, Copper Canyon ***. Copper Canyon is a vast and majestic canyon system located in northern Mexico. Known as the Grand Canyon of Mexico, it boasts stunning natural landscapes that can be explored by taking the Ferrocarril Chihuahua al Pacifico train, one of the most scenic rail journeys in the world. This destination is ideal for those who love hiking and wilderness exploration. Here we are, having explored the top 10 most fascinating destinations in Mexico. I hope this journey has inspired you to plan your next trip. Don't forget to pack your camera, as Mexico's diverse beauty is sure to leave you in awe. Where would you like me to guide you next? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you, and see you on our next adventure.